She was the type of mother that would go out of her way for her kids. She would do anything for her kids.
Before Rose Medina's father passed away when she was a young girl in Cuba, he made her mother promise that she would take their children away from Cuba and to the United States.
He begged my mom to please take his kids out of the communist country.
Zoila struggled in the earlier years to provide for her children, but she kept her end of the promise, keeping the family together.
She gave us the best she could, and here we are.
Decades later, as Zoila grew older and developed signs of Alzheimer's disease, it became her children's turn to care for her.
2 times my brother walked in and the house was full of smoke. I walked in one time and I freaked out because the house was full of smoke. And I said, "I'm sorry, Mom, you can't live here by yourself no more."
As Zoila's health declined because of Alzheimer's, Rose felt strongly about the need to take care of her mother. And with the help of the VNA, she was able to see that Zoila was well taken care of.
She actually sat at her bedside one day and was writing her eulogy prior to her passing so that her mother would know what was going to be said in her eulogy. And I thought, boy, that took a lot of strength for her to do that.
I don't even know how to thank those people for what they did. I think if it wouldn't have been for them, I would have been in a very bad situation, because I don't think I would have been able to do it without them.
Mom was always pristine. The bed, her clothing, clean and dry. She took awesome, loving care of her mother.
The staff at the VNA became more like family to Rose as they helped her care for her mother through the last days of Zoila's life.
One particular day I was in the field doing a supervisory visit with another employee, and as I was riding down the freeway, it just dawned on me, let me just stop by. I hadn't visited with them in a while, and as I came to the front door, Rose swung open the door and she said, "How did you know I was thinking of you?" And I gave her a big hug, and that evening her mom passed away. And it was a very peaceful death.
I can't find words to really tell you everything that they did for me.